We officially made it to Hotel Lulu, and that was a long 6-hour drive. Do you think the drive was very long, Avery?
Yeah, it felt like...
So like 12 hours?
Yeah.
We're so excited to finally be here. It's really nice outside. It's actually a little bit humid, which is really odd for Anaheim, California, but
it's pretty refreshing coming from Arizona, where it
feels so much better.
It's been 105, 110.
So we're gonna go show you guys the lobby and everything. Our room isn't quite ready yet.
We got a special room.
We got a special room, yeah. Hotel Lulu is...
And it's a very nice view.
And it's a very nice view. Hotel Lulu is very nice. They are hosting us for this trip, so thanks so much. But they have a very special room for us, so we're excited to see. I think hopefully we'll be able to see the parks or something like that from the hotel.
And we'll be here for 3 nights. So make sure you guys, watch our video and watch the tour of the hotel. We're gonna be showing you guys the lobby, the pool area, our room, kind of the grounds, how long it takes to get to the park.
Yes.
So make sure you guys follow along and join us on our 3-night stay.
We have stayed here. This is, I think, our 3rd time staying at this Good Neighbor Disney Resort. We absolutely love Hotel Lulu. It actually is a Best Western Premier hotel, so it is one of Best Western's, like, I don't know what you call it, just one of their hotels.
One of the premier hotels.
One of their premier hotels, yeah, I guess that's just what it is. So we're super excited.
Here's the lobby of Hotel Lulu. Oh, like full Disney statues. I love the Hotel Lulu mural. You have really good beach theme here too. Pretty spacious downstairs. You have a really nice restroom downstairs for guests. It's a nice open lobby. Complimentary water. There's a little coffee bar area for the morning. We have a little snack bar. There's a little kitchen. This is their dining area where they serve breakfast. And this leads right to the pool. Got a little poolside bar. It's a really cool area. Got people enjoying the pool outside. It's a really fun and welcoming hotel. The staff here is super nice. It's extremely clean. And it's not too crowded right now. It's really nice.
Alright, here we go. We're headed to downtown. Say hi. Gonna go for a little walk. Okay, so here is the front lobby at Hotel Lulu. I'm gonna show you guys. Usually it's about like a 12-minute walk or so to Disneyland. Feels great outside, so it'll be a nice breeze. It really doesn't take long at all. I'm gonna show you guys right now. I can see the backside of Guardians of the Galaxy. All right, here we are. If you guys can see under the palm trees, right over there is Guardians of the Galaxy. We already made it. It was only a 10-minute walk. Not bad at all. What did you find?
A shiny leaf.
Shiny leaf because it's so hot. Here's the Disneyland sign.
I saw the monorail go by in there.
Yeah, I didn't turn on the phone in time.
Check it out. We just checked in at Hotel Lulu. And we got our welcome cocktails.
Super good. What Avery got?
And Avery got
some
little
cookies.
Cookies.
Say thanks so much.
We give little treats to the kids. And the grown-ups get a little welcome cocktail.
So I will say, we've stayed here a few times. We absolutely love Hotel Lulu. They have such great customer service. We were just in the lobby and they're always so sweet and so kind. The check-in process is very smooth, very easy. We got 2 cocktails, one for Brian and one for myself. They give that to each guest that comes and checks in, of course, if you're over 21. And then if you're under the age, they usually have little cookies or cupcakes or something cute. So that's what Avery got. She got some little Oreo cookies. So easy, such a smooth transition. Our room was ready. It's about 3 o'clock, I think. It smells great in here. It's super clean, looks really nice. We're so excited to be here. We're gonna be here for 3 nights here at Hotel Lulu. Thanks so much once again for hosting us. We are really excited to be here. All right, first right here, we have a full bathroom. Hi everyone. We have a shower. Right here, there's actually a closet, which is great. Oh, there's a steamer, that's really nice. Here's a little nook right here. This looks like maybe a tea, maybe coffee, I don't know, maker. Microwave, which is definitely nice, and a safe. Here we have 2 queen beds, a full length mirror, which is always nice to have when you're getting ready. Fridge, which is great. That means they have a fridge and a microwave. Big TV, super cute. As you can tell, Brian neighbor jumped on the bed.
Go.
Jump! Here we have a little desk over here. And they did give us a upgraded view. Thanks so much, Hotel Lulu. But look at it. So beautiful. You can see right here, it's Guardians of the Galaxy. This is a firework view room. So all of that whole section right there is Disney's California Adventure. Right there you can see it says PIM. I don't know if you can see it, it's pretty far away, but PIM. And then you can see Avengers Campus. It's incredible. So we'll be able to see the fireworks at night. I absolutely love it. It looks beautiful, clean, very spacious, lots of room. There's a huge area over here. Already have one of our bags right here. Lots of space for all the room that you need.
We're here in the room, getting settled in. And the first thing that you notice right when you walk in the room is the scent. It smells so good in this hotel, especially in the room. It reminds you of staying on Disney property. You know, every time you stay on Disney property in any of their hotels, it smells amazing. And you have that scent that you remember every time you go back. It has a really, really good scent here. It's almost like a kind of a ocean scent. And the theme here is like beach. So it kind of has that theming on the scent. It smells so good. But anyway, here our room is so nice, spacious. We have a great view. The beds are nice. When you book a package with us, hotel and tickets, you stay at Hotel Lulu here, they give you a complimentary breakfast. And it's made to order. It's like ordering off our menu. So it's a la carte. It's not a buffet. It's a really nice breakfast. And they have a lot of good options. So that's a perk when you book with Martin Magical Travels. They will give you that complimentary breakfast. They also give you the complimentary cocktail whenever you stay here, which Megan and myself already enjoyed. It's only a 10-minute walk to the parks. We've already walked there to downtown and back.
The view is Cars.
So you can see Cars, Tower of Terror, or actually it's Guardians of the Galaxy. Guardians of the Galaxy. Yeah, she keeps forgetting we just went to Walt Disney World and they have Tower of Terror. You can also see Carthay Circle. You can see web slingers. It's a good view, and this is a firework view. Most likely we're going to be in the parks enjoying the fireworks, but if you wanted to come back to the room early, if you have little ones that wanted to, you know, put to sleep early, this is like the perfect spot to see the Disney fireworks. So we're going to enjoy the hotel throughout our stay here. You know, next time you're planning a trip, you can book through us, and you can get those special perks like the complimentary breakfast.
All right. Here we are to the elevators. Baby, do you think we can see the fireworks?
Yeah.
I hope so.
If we hurry.
If we hurry, okay. Oh, look at it. That's a cute little swimsuit.
Here we go.
All right, here we go.
Wait, just get some stuff.
All right, one thing I want to mention is you can, ooh, let me open this. They make you use your key to scan into the elevator. So very secure. So at night when you're coming back, only people who are staying here are able to get to any of the rooms. We just made it back to our room just in time. Look it.
Those are pretty.
Beautiful.
Shine.
You can see the lights too. Wow.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness, those go so high.
Whoa! Look!
Wow.
Aren't they beautiful? All right, are we excited we made it back in time?
Yeah,
did it.
we got a very special.
Can't even see you guys, it's so dark in
Special
here.
seating.
Special seating. Love it.
Oh yeah.
So not only do we have fireworks
yeah.
down here, you can see the pool. There's people in the pool. There's fire pits down there. Some games all lit up really pretty.
Oh, they're so pretty.
Super cute.
So pretty.
All right, there are a few elevators, right?
Yeah, so there's two sets of elevators, at least on this floor near our room,
Turns.
which is super nice. Because we have some on the other side of our room, and then this one's almost like a private elevator, and it goes really close to the parking lot where our car is. So
Yeah.
it's really easy to kind of get our stuff in, move it upstairs, and it's...
Here is the pool area at Hotel Lulu. Is it cold? They have pool service, nice little seats out here. Oh, look at the floaties. They also have some fire pits over there. There's restrooms out here. This is really cute. There's some games over here too, actually. One of our favorite spots about Hotel Lulu is this little garden area. Super cute. If you guys don't know, they actually have 2 buildings. So they have one building right here, and then the other building is right over here. Same type of hotel rooms. Just nice having a little courtyard. We were actually in this building last time we came. We are here at Hotel Lulu's breakfast. What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get that or that.
Oh.
Ooh, it looks so
I think I'm gonna
good.
get this.
So here is their menu right here. Here's the
I'm
front.
gonna get this and then
Here's
I'm
the
gonna
back.
spread
When you book a vacation package with us, you actually get this breakfast included. And look at how great it looks. This is an actual sit-down restaurant. They serve you. And when you book hotel and tickets with us, we can get you guys free breakfast for everyone in the parties. So wouldn't have to pay any of these prices that are on here. Super great. It's a new perk with Hotel Lulu for guests that book packages with us. I think this is just open for breakfast, right, Brad?
Yeah.
Yeah, just breakfast, and then
Then they have the bar.
yeah, I think.
Bar.
Okay, so they do have appetizers at like the bar for later on if you're at the pool and hanging out. We are starving. We got to sleep in a little bit this morning. And then after this, we're gonna pack up and head home, but we'll be back in how many days?
60.
60 days. Avery just got some hot chocolate. Is it the best you've ever had? Oh man.
It's hot.
It feels so nice to sit down and actually like drink coffee and not just have it on the go every 5 seconds.
Good.
All right, what did you get?
Smells so good.
A smiley face
Ooh, it's like
pancake?
funfetti.
Smells so good.
Yeah.
Chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip. Dad's
Gotta have
voice
chocolate
is
chip.
going away. We talked too much this weekend.
The hotel kind of pancake smell.
Ooh, the hotel pancake smell. Wow. I got a pancake and then Brian and I got more food.
Yep.
Apparently we're starving.
Here we go.
Here we are. I got like the taco bowl. Brian got, what is yours? Kind of like a...
It's kind of like, yeah, it's like tater tots and 3 meats, eggs, cheese, and a bunch of microgreens.
Avery's already digging into her smiley
I
face
spray
pancake.
it around because I want whipped cream on mine.
Okay, can you tell me how good it is?
What do you think?
Is it delicious? How many out of 10?
10 out of 9.
10 out of 9? Perfect. Alright, we're so excited to eat. And just a reminder, all of this is complimentary when you book your trip with us.